ready to Halloween hunt?
Yes. Let's go see what we can find.
What are you looking for?
All the spooky things.
Oh, so no theme?
Oh, well, what's the theme of the year this year?
Well, whatever you want it to be. What is your style?
My style?
Hell yeah.
Right there. Death.
Oh, this guy. This is the guy. He's only $250. I actually really like the Happy Halloween.
This chair is so uncomfortable.
Yeah, I think they're all made of resin.
It's like how I ride in my van. It's got like
how I cannot ride.
Back straight up.
How much is it?
Trying to interlock my hand with best.
Okay, that one was $500. This one's $199. Does he say anything? Does he have a thingy?
I think his eyes just blink.
No, he's got to do something. Oh my God, Lord Jesus. We're trying to see if he, oh my God. Okay, if you're looking for the bust, there's a lot of them at the At Home in Pflugerville. They're $79.99, the men's and the women's. Okay, Freddie likes this. Oh, that is really cool.
That's really cool.
It's very smart.
It's
Holding the head.
But it comes with a really cool base.
I like the melted face.
Yeah, it looks like it's like concrete. Oh, it's pretty heavy.
I think they're all mostly resin pieces.
They took the batteries out.
This creeps me out. That is horrific.
Yeah.
All right, this is my favorite collection from At Home. I like all the eyeballs and the mushrooms. Oh, I love these guys.
Yeah, that's cute.
Because I feel like we can put it in the garden, right? It's kind of expensive, but $17 for this little ass thing.
This one's $6.
Well, we can definitely get a little one. I feel like we need to get a little face. Okay, I'm gonna get one of the little toads. How much are the little toads?
$10.
$10. Do you think that's worth it?
No.
No? I want a little toad. Maybe I'll wait because there's lots of them. Maybe he'll go on sale. Yeah, the hatchet pumpkin is really cool. But I feel like you can see the light. I don't like that you can see the light. It's like that other one I have.
You'd have to put some. That's like a.
Okay, Freddie likes this one too.
It's like a.
How much is this? Let's guess. What's your guess? Price?
$17. $20.
20.
What's the show? The End of Us? No.
Last of Us. Oh yeah, it's The Last of Us.
The End of Us.
Yeah. I love these guys. They're so cute. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Really love that thing.
How much is this? This might be worth it. I guess it's free.
It's free $99. $35.
Almost worth it, maybe.
Ooh, guys, look at the flying witch. She can be like horizontal tail. I don't know how much she is though.
It's cool. It's $10 this glass.
Oh yeah, I got one of the little ones last year when it went on sale. So we'll wait for those to go on sale because I have a little collection. I wouldn't mind starting a little glass collection. I have a little baby one from last year. Spooky house.
It says it lights up where we're at though. Where's the tester? Probably just in the windows.
Yeah. Sure. I do like the cute ghosties. I have my little collection of those. And I like this. The cat dressed up with the pumpkin face.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, these are cool. I bet they go in the dark too. Yeah.
Oh man. Maybe we should get some of those. I just ordered some. How much are they? Oh, let's get one.
They're metal though.
Yeah.
I think you should get more than one.
Yeah, let's get a couple. So it's like a skeleton owl. I really do love owls.
And it lights up. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh.
Is that? It sounds like he's saying whoa. That does not sound like an owl to me.
Well, it's because he's dead.
This is pretty. Okay. All right, it's still saying whoa, so we're gonna walk away. No, I want the little raven. There's a little baby raven. I do think those are really cool.
Yeah, those are kind of cool.
The 3-headed dogs, but the stuff breaks. A lot of it breaks really easily because it's the resin.
That's cool.
What is that? $3? $6. All right, I'm gonna get one of my mini ravens. This one's 10. It's a little expensive, but it is a piece I've been wanting.
It's That's kind of cool.
Bleeding heart. I think it bleeds.
Ooh, yeah, it looks like it has red on the inside.
Bleeding candle.
Ooh.
Should we get one?
I don't know, maybe.
That's a lot of money though for one candle.
That's really cool too. At least sometimes they actually draw it.
Just a couple pillows.
Bats too.
He likes all the bones for his bikes.
Oh yeah, I could probably get something cool. Oh look, they got the toads.
Stop.
The skeletoads.
Skeletoad.
Copy that. That's fine. Oh, and that's where those are at. Armadillos.
Oh, the armadillo is scary.
Yeah, I might get. I'm trying to think. Like, little doctor. Oh, that one lights up.
Anyone need a bloody head? I said this in my other vlog, but if you guys like the food stools and you can't find the one you want at Home Goods, At Home has a lot of them. The popcorn, beer, cupcake, donuts, hamburger, watermelon, lemon. I don't know how you'd sit on a pineapple. Macaron, coffee, French fries.
Poison ivy.
You hate poison ivy. Stupid. The button's down there. Oh, maybe we have to walk away and walk back.
Yeah, he's got the motion detector. See what other drinks Oh, you know where we need to go?
Where?
Is it Party City? Or remember where you get like the costumes and stuff?
That's Party City. Almost all of them closed down, but there's one by your job.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, the disco stuff?
Yeah, I mean, I don't really love the pink stuff, but I wanted to see what their smaller guy, because he lights up. I think I might get this one and return the one from At Home.
This one's cute too. This is like stitched together.
$39? Okay, we're not getting this then. That's a lie. We will be putting this back. I did want this though, so if I can catch it on sale, I might, but we're gonna leave it. Let's see if it lights up.
Doesn't have the tester. There's no batteries in it.
Oh, no, nothing. Sad day.
And you gotta buy batteries? Right.
Oh, I'm sad, guys. I'm sad. Well, I'll keep the one I have then. It's Birdie. This is cute. Love you to the tomb and back.
Let's go, ghouls.
There's one that says live, laughed, loved. Lived, laughed, loved. Couple more pillows. Lots of stacked pumpkins. What did you say was cute?
Damn, $90 for like outside.
Yeah, the big lanterns are expensive.
God dang.
That's pretty though. Really
I like
pretty.
This one because it's like elevated. And you can put a plant at the bottom.
Yeah, that's really cool actually. Well, we can watch for when they go on sale.
Yeah, it's like half price. It'd be worth it.
Well, so they might all be going out of business at some point.
This place?
I don't know. But I hear you. Yep. Ooh, I do like this guy. Well, and their stuff is too expensive, which is why Joann's went out. This is cool. It looks like a little spermy though. All right, we're gonna leave this guy for now, even though I'm sad. We're gonna leave the toad because it's a little expensive for what we want, and so are the mushrooms, but so we see if we can find something similar or come back when they're on sale, or we'll miss out. I don't know. Got some fun garlands. These are all $7.99. Yep, viral. Glad they brought her back though, because I think some people didn't get her last year. Yeah, this is like the gothic side. I really want to see the witch for Home Depot this year.
Yeah,
because I really think that that's something I want to spend money on.
That one was really cool.
Like, these are all really freaking cool. I feel like Ariel should get one of these since she does like the cemetery vibes.
This one's only
Hey, dude.
$150. This one's not bad, I guess.
It's not. And he holds the lantern, which I love.
It's heavy.
but they're also resin.
Well, he doesn't light up on the inside though.
I think it's just his lantern.
It's just a lantern. It's just kind of
Well, because he doesn't have a face, so why would he light up?
well, it should
He's
be,
like a wraith, like from Lord of the
you could
Rings.
put like a red, like.
I mean, you could put something in there if you wanted.
I could easily rig something.
Okay, I didn't get everything I wanted because I'm trying to be smart and purchase things that make sense. And the things on my list I might still go back and get, but I think I should wait and see what else comes out because something even better might be out and for a lower price point. I have noticed that the prices have gone up even at home, but I've also heard that they might be going out of business, so we'll have to keep on that to see what's going on about sales and stuff. I left the Toad because there's a million of them, and it just looks so realistic. I don't know. I might have to. It's just $10 is stupid for a resin piece. What do you think?
Tariffs.
That's right.
Paying tariff prices already.
That's right.
Dang it.
Dang it. They also said that a lot of what they already have was in stock, like on American soil before the tariff stuff went through, but they were just increasing prices. I don't know. I don't know how these stores are going to stay in business with this high of a price because look, I'm buying some of these mass-produced shitty resin items for myself, but like we don't need to all be buying a bajillion of them because so much inventory. They have so much inventory. It's trash, really. It's trash. So yeah, dude, that's a stop sign. Lord Jesus. Anyway, we're trying to be smart with our money, people. But we'll see. I don't think there's anything that I left where I feel like devastated, so.
No, there's some cool stuff though.
Yeah, we got some things, but you'll have to see in the second haul. What was your favorite thing you saw? I feel like you liked the gothic stuff.
That groundbreaker was cool.
Yeah, the pumpkin groundbreaker.
But that was really cool.
I mean, that's pretty on par.
But yeah, like a lot of the, I don't know, there's a lot of stuff I like. I can't pinpoint anything.
You should get that $500 chair.
No, that chair was kind of hideous. I can't believe it.
Like, I would love to do Spooky Town, but what do we got?
That's cool.
Yeah, it's old school blow mold. Look underneath. No, actually the prices are usually really small. Yes. So this is $30.
Jesus.
That's what I mean. It's super expensive.
Oh my god.
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, that's a.
So I wonder where that orb is. I bet it's not even. Oh, here it is. So I saw somebody online, and this is so gorgeous, but I want to see if it goes on sale. So this lights up, and it's like this old school, like vintage Halloween scene. Let's see if we can we see if we can get it to turn on? I don't know. Wonder if it doesn't have batteries.
Probably not. No.
I think it went on.
No, I don't see.
How much does it say it is?
It's $30. Jeez. This is cute.
I know.
Let's
So
see.
do you know what this is? This is a
$40. Oh my
This is
God.
that's a Pottery Barn dupe.
Jeez, $20. They're tripping.
They are. I like that pumpkin.
Yeah.
Because I like his
Eyes. his
crazy
googly
eyes. Yes. I'm gonna look for the styrofoam to make a. I wonder if the fall or the summer stuff is on clearance yet. Oh, I think it's gonna be in the floral, so maybe around the corner. All right.
There just happened to be one sitting right.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so we were at Walmart. We were looking for a styrofoam head. I went ahead and got the tomato cage from Lowe's, but styrofoam is apparently very expensive. So we came to Walmart. They didn't have what we needed. We could have put something together, but it would have been even more expensive. So we're now looking at maybe getting a shelf for the garage. Didn't see much at Marshall's for Halloween. Nothing new, nothing exciting. That's it. Okay, so we just got back. We went to breakfast. We went to Old Navy. We got a pair of jeans. We went to Marshall's. Nothing there. We found something for the house, like a cool shelf that we might get, but no like Halloween things. But a few things I did get at Marshall's is I got these were on sale. I've been looking at these hand towels for a long time. So I got these summer towels. It's got actually it's hard to find 2 of the printed. Usually if it's in a trio, it's like 1 printed and 2 flat or whatever. And it's the mint green, which I love. So the flat color or the plain color will look really pretty. So I got 3 for $8. And then one of my crafts I'm doing this year for Halloween are eyeballs, the Grandin Road eyeballs. And I found these in the dog section. And do not sleep on the sections that might not be what you're looking for section, if that makes sense. So look at the dog, look at the home, look at the kitchen, and see how you can use things in different ways. Because these, when they're actually marketed as Halloween eyeballs for decor, this would be $15, but I got it for $5. So I'm gonna moss them up and still like DIY them, but we have one, it's a green, blue, and a purple eye. So I'm really, really excited about those. And then we went to Dollar Tree to get the styrofoam head, but like I already said, we looked at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Michael's for the styrofoam head, and it's just crazy expensive. So I'm gonna look on Amazon, but this is what I got at Dollar Tree. Now granted, their prices have gone up, so this is $1.50, but it's a little kit for a wreath, and I just love Frankie, and he looks kind of a vintage style, and he's the soft stuff, which I love. So I got that, and then I got 3 sets of stickers because I have this vintage frame and little painting that's really gorgeous, and I don't want to paint a ghost on it, but I thought, what if I put a ghost sticker on it for Halloween and then took it off and used it normally? So I got a set of ghosty stickers. Again, I mean, it's still a good deal. It's $1.50, but you know, it sucks like when prices go up. Got this one, a more traditional Halloween style, but more of a kid-like. I swear that looks like Birdie. And then I got the more magical ones. Anyway, so that's it for shopping with Freddie. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.